In this video, I'll show you how to create a floral letter design in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Elements tab and search for Flower Background under the Photos category. Select a floral image that fits your design, then adjust its size and position to cover the page. Go to the Share, click Download. Choose PNG as the file type to save the image. Add a new page to your project. Navigate to the app section and search for TubeBuddy. Open the app. Then click Change Image to upload the floral background you just downloaded. Type your desired letter into the text field and adjust its scale and position in the preview window. Click Add to Design to place the floral letter on the new page. Return to the first page. Select the floral background and go to Edit, choose Magic Grab. Click on individual flowers, then click Grab to isolate them. Duplicate these flowers and move them to the second page. Resize and reposition them around the floral letter for a cohesive design. That's it! You've created a stunning floral letter effect. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching.